For today, two stocks, starting with Axis Bank. That looks good to me. Seen a good up move, some kind of a consolidation, and a fresh up move started, which looks robust. And looks like Axis Bank is climbing to levels closer to around 1250. It actually has a very strong support at 1160. So have a place a stop below that 1160 and trade long. Second stock that I like for today is L&T. Now that stock has a very strong support on 1040. The structure is positive. The way it's been, there's an impulse move available in L&T. And looks like L&T is climbing to levels closer to around 1100 zone. So even slightly higher, but 1100 or 1115 is a possible target on L&T. On the futures front, I think I like to trade today on Bank Nifty. The technical targets are on 11,500 plus. So anywhere around 11,500 plus zones are profit booking times as long as 11,300 holds. That's the place I would have a stop. So far Bank Nifty looks okay.
Where individual stock trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Petronet LNG at 133 levels in the cash segment. I would hold all long positions so initiated with a stop loss at 131, expecting to book profits at 136 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy on Reliance Communication in the cash segment at 142, holding these long positions with a stop loss at 140 and expecting to book profits at 145.5 or end of the session, whichever comes first.
If you look at the long-term chart of G Entertainment, we can clearly see that the trend remains positive, the secular trend remains positive, and every time it makes a swing low and it rebounds, and then we see a higher high getting reported. So same is the case even now, where the support of 245 seems to be a very lucrative level, and if at all the stock approaches that level of 250 to 45, it seems to be a very good buy with a stop loss at 240, and the medium term target for the script is placed at 310. So the recommendation would be buy on pullback as the stock is placed positive. So any correction in this stuff should be used as a buying opportunity.
I would buy a run back C stop loss of 438, target of 475. I would buy a Jindal Steel stop loss of 262, target of 283. And for FNO traders, I would advise a buy in HCL Tech, stop loss of 1115, target of 1170.
Well, on the Nifty, we must stay above 6205 for the day, resistance at 6239 and 6262, support at 6182 and 6148. Bank Nifty must stay above 11,270 and CNX IT above 8846. BTST from yesterday, Sun Pharma was a buy with a stop of 590, target of 615. Z Entertainment was a buy with a stop of 264, target of 282. JSW Steel was a buy with a stop of 920, target of 965. Fresh Falls Aurobindo Pharma was a buy with a stop of 290, target of 330. Arvind is a buy with a stop of 127, target of 141. Tata Steel is a buy with a stop of 400, target of 425. Uflex is a buy with a stop of 80, target of 95. JSW Energy is a buy with a stop of 51, target of 63. JSPL is a buy with a stop of 262, target of 285.